Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my favorite skincare of 2021. So a year-long roundup of my favorite skincare. My skin has had its ups and downs this year, but I will tell you, I think it's in the best position that it's ever been in. So I'm hoping I can really share some life-changing products with you guys today. If you didn't see my roundup of makeup, my favorite makeup of the year, I will leave that linked down below and in a card for you guys. We talked about a lot of makeup, but I am actually filming this right after filming that. So we are going to do the same thing as that video. It's going to be kind of rapid fire reviews because I do have a lot to talk about and just different reasons for why I love each of these things. And let me know if you want any information about hair, because I've also been going through a hair journey. That would have to be a different video though. We've got a lot to cover. So if you guys are into this type of video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome, and let's dive in. I have a huge Steve Madden bag full of skincare in front of me, so if you hear it crinkling, I'm sorry, but I am a mess. I discovered this product, which it's in brand new packaging because my boyfriend stocked me up on it for Christmas, but I've talked about this a few times. I needed something to protect my face from the environment and also treat acne so that I would not break out from work anymore, and that is the Acne Fighting Putty Primer from e.l.f. I actually don't use this as primer. I use this as a finishing step in my skincare routine right before I leave the house for work so that I don't break out, and you guys, it works. In my mind, and I think this is the way this works, it fills up my skin with good stuff so that the bad stuff cannot get in. So that is my favorite for like acne fighting this year. So my skin has had like a revelation this year. Like it is the best it's ever been. And there's a couple products that I want to say are like the #1 contributing factors to that. And this is one of them. I did talk about this in a previous video on YouTube, but it's the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. It's meant for redness, like it's meant to fight redness. But what I have found is that if I use this directly out of the shower on damp skin, it really helps to hydrate my skin, and it just loves this serum, you guys. This is my third one. I did get this for Christmas, so I do feel kind of bad because it's pretty expensive. Like, my grandma bought it for me, but it's really sweet that she did. She did not have to do that. I'm going on a tangent. It's my favorite skincare product of 2021. So definitely use this while your skin is damp. If you have it and like you don't love it, try that. It's a game changer. I stumbled upon that accidentally. I just brought it to my shower. Like I brought it to my bathroom and I was using it as a moisturizer and I fell in love with it. So I'm going to have to keep repurchasing it. It's very expensive, but well worth it. And then if you do have redness, it does combat redness. So I think the ceramides that are in this are what my skin is loving. So on the ceramide tangent, I have another product that I did discover this year. So because I have super dry skin and I found out that my skin loves ceramides, I picked up this CeraVe moisturizing cream to use on body and face, which I've used it on body and face because it has ceramides in it. It says it moisturizes and helps restore skin's protective barrier, which I definitely agree with. And if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know that I actually only can use one body lotion for the act of curing my dryness and eczema. I can wear like body lotion on my arms or my chest just to smell good, but I certainly cannot put every body lotion on my legs because my legs suffer from eczema and the most dry skin ever. So I have to use the Aveeno Creamy Moisturizing Oil, I think because it has like an oatmeal ingredient in it or something. That is still the only body lotion that I use. But I am slowly working this into like my elbow area and my knee area to see how my skin reacts to it. And so far it's really been liking it. So I actually use this now for my arms, my elbows, and my knees just for a little bit of extra moisture. And like I said, I do use this on my face sometimes at night as like a night cream, and no breakouts, no sensitivity, and I think that my skin really likes the ceramides. So sticking to ceramides this year, we're gonna see if we can like keep my skin at the level that it's at right now. Some of this stuff was in my shower, so it's like wet and or has hard water stains on it, so just bear with me. I've been a big fan of a double cleanse. I actually don't have any of my solid cleansers in front of me right now, but I've been using the Clean It Zero Balm, the Pharmacy Balm, and the It Cosmetics cleansing balms. So I do like a two-step if I have makeup on or anything like that. But this is my favorite cleanser for morning when I don't have any of that on my face. This is the Murad Essential C Cleanser with Environmental Shield, which again, I think I need to shield my skin from the environment, which is something I'm learning this year. So this cleanser says it's formulated with vitamin A, C, and E. It's an energizing gel cleanser. It helps to remove pollution and other impurities. I use this in the morning before my serums and my moisturizers. So very, very good. It smells amazing. This is my second one. What I like to kind of call this is an upgrade from like the Clean and Clear Morning Burst, because I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I use that. I still use that. But I think this is like the grown-up version of that with like better ingredients in it. It's super mad expensive, but if you're looking for the grown-up version of that that's better for you, then this is that cleanser for you. A very gentle cleanser that I've been liking is this Milky Cleanser from Versed. It's almost gone. I actually do use this in the shower, so it has a little bit of like residue on it. But this is very good for sensitive skin. Milky cleansers are gonna be good if you lose a lot of your oils, if you have dry skin, because it doesn't strip your face while it cleanses. Like some of them, like the Murad one, kind of you feel that squeaky clean, like stripped feeling afterwards. This one does not do that. So this is what I use at night because I do wash everything off in the shower at night, and I do double cleanse. So I'm always using the balms to get everything off, and then I'll go in with like the Clean and Clear is in my shower. I'll go in with that, and then I'll go in with this to kind of help restore a little bit of the moisture that was lost, if that makes sense. Okay, so every other day I've been using this toner, and I think it's a game changer. It's almost gone, but this was kind of a newer release in 2021, so I haven't been loving it like all year long because it only recently came out. But this is from Youth to the People, which is one of my favorite skincare brands. It is their Mandelic Acid and Superfood Unity Exfoliant with AHA, BHA, PHA. But it's super, super gentle. So what I do getting out of the shower, every other day I will tone my face with this on reusable cotton pads. I think they sent them to me, but look into reusable cotton pads because they're super useful and better for the environment. So I will tone my face in like the T-zone area. Then I'll splash some water on my face, and then I'll go in with the avocado serum from Glow Recipe. And I think this in combination with that serum, they're the ones that really did it for me. So I'm gonna have to repurchase this one too pretty soon. It's almost gone. Okay, so I have a couple favorites for nighttime. So I use retinol at night now, and this is one of my favorites. It's from Pixi. It's the Overnight Retinol Oil, but there's a few different retinols that I've been going back and forth with, but I did want to share this one because I think this is a little bit more of an affordable retinol. With retinol, you are supposed to make sure you combat it with moisture because it can dry out your skin, and I don't use retinol every single day. I use it like every 3 days, I would say. I use retinol and I mix it in my night cream. This is my all-time favorite cream moisturizer for nighttime. It's a thicker moisturizer. It's from Pharmacy. I've talked about this many, many times, so it's kind of hard to say that it's 2021 because I think it came out before 2021, but it's like pretty much the only night cream I've been using. Oh, shocker, it has ceramides in it. It's the Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. Am I surprised? I accidentally fell in love with ceramides this year, apparently. But I love this thing. It's bougie. It's a little bit more pricey. It's the honey line, so it smells good. I like the scent of the honey line. It has the little scooper that magnets to the cap. It's a thick, hydrating moisturizer. So I will scoop a little bit of this into my hand, and then I will drop some of the retinol into the moisturizer, mix it together, apply it to my face, and go to bed. We're just gonna shoot these out there because I think that eye cream can be a little bit gimmicky because a lot of face creams can do the same thing that eye cream does, but I still use eye cream. So I don't wanna be a hypocrite by saying that you don't need it. You probably don't need it, but I use it, and these are the two that I use. We have the First Aid Beauty Hydrating Eye Cream with hyaluronic acid. It's a very nice lightweight eye cream. So if you suffer from bumps under the eyes or milia, it could be from using too thick of an eye cream. So look into this one. It's super lightweight and just very hydrating, but not heavy. And then I have the Youth to the People Dream Eye Cream, and this is a little bit thicker. So if I'm feeling super dry, I will use this one. It really reminds me of the Honey Halo, so I like using them in combination with each other. on days when I'm just like super, super dehydrated, which I am trying to drink more water. That's like a huge thing with skincare, but I like these eye creams. Pretty much the only lip care, actually that's a lie. I have a lot of lip care, but the only one that I wear as an overnight mask is the Pillow Talk Balm from Too Faced, and it's almost gone. And you guys, I don't want to repurchase it because it's like $25 or like $21 or something, but I'm gonna have to because my lips love this. It's a really great overnight treatment for your lips. It's like thick but not too thick. I think it smells like the Too Faced primer, which is one of my favorite primers ever. Don't neglect your lips with your skincare, especially in the winter. So really good overnight lip balm. All right, I really gotta speed up and get through these last ones because I'm tired and I'm hungry. So I discovered Truly Beauty this year, which I love, but it's expensive and it can be a little bit gimmicky. But the #1 product that I've actually seen results from is this. It's the Acai Your Boobies Boob Butter. It's a very thick hydrating cream for your boobs. It lasts a lot longer than some of their other products because it's so thick. So I scoop some of this out with my nail, I put it in my hand, and then I actually add a few drops of the boob serum. It's called the Lifting Boob Serum. Basically, this smells like heaven, and that's why I'm gonna continue to use it and think that it's doing anything for me. It's kind of nice to apply product to them and make them feel special. So that's for that. Also, they have products for your butt, and I do think these are beneficial. My butt is like super smooth, okay? Whatever I'm doing right. This is a serum. I think it might have like maybe some exfoliating properties in it. I don't know. This is the Buns of Glow-Re Tighten and Glow Butt Serum. It has watermelon, vitamin E, apricot. It smells amazing, and I just like treating my whole body. So this year I went through 2 of the polishes of this in the shower, and the reason I don't have them is because they're gone. So also I would not recommend leaving them in the shower because with the heat they can kind of lose their consistency. So those are actually not favorites because I feel like for the price of like $26, $28, you should just use something else. But the watermelon scent is really nice, which is why I'm mentioning the serum, because this will last a little bit longer than those scrubs and it's a little bit more effective in my opinion. So the watermelon serum, again, you can mix it with moisturizer, and it's nice to have these like dedicated products. So I've been using this for about 4 months. This is the Anti-Cellulite Massage Oil from M3 Naturals. It's an Amazon buy, and one of my friends turned me on to this. It is super highly reviewed on Amazon, but I will say it's just nice to add a little bit of extra moisture to like the sides of my legs at night. And just like working out as much as I do, I like to add a little something in there to also help or like hopefully help with cellulite. But you guys, I don't think there's ever gonna be like a cure for cellulite. So I will say I like it. I don't think it's gonna be a miracle working product, but my legs do look better. So I think the combination of like working out, drinking water, and using this, I use it like every other night or so whenever I remember to use it. I think it does make a difference. I don't like massage it in or anything. I just use like one pump, put it between my hands, and run it down the sides of my legs, which is where I have the most cellulite. And my favorite body care product of the year goes to the Balm Dia Bright from Sol de Janeiro. So this has chemical exfoliators in it, and it's meant to brighten the skin and also get rid of bumps. So KP on the back of the arms, this can help with that. So if you guys want to see a video on how I cured my KP, let me know. There are like 4 products and one kind of weird thing that have cured it for me. It's gone. I don't have it anymore. This did not get rid of it on its own, but this definitely adds a little bit of glow, and the scent is intoxicating. This is my favorite scent of 2021. It's the Black Amber Plum, I believe. Oh, it just smells so freaking good. And they did come out with a body spray, which I use on the reg, but this is definitely one of my favorite luxurious body creams of the year. All right, you guys, we made it through. This is pretty much all of the skincare that I have fallen in love with this year that I think has really, really made a difference in my skin. Knock on wood, like I'm just really having a good couple of skin months, and I think I've finally just got everything together this year. So hopefully that's helpful for those of you who might have the same issues. I just have very dry skin. I can break out due to environmental factors, and all of these things have helped me get it together. Self-care has been a necessity for me to get through these past couple of years. So I really have discovered and loved a lot of self-care products. I could do like a whole self-care video with some more inclusions. Let me know if that's something you're interested in, but I wanted to just cover my bases with my skincare because you guys deserve to know the stuff that I'm loving, even though I can't hop on here as much as I used to. I wanted to make sure I covered at least all the makeup and all the skincare that I've fallen in love with this year. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and maybe found some products that will become your new favorites. I really look forward to seeing what comes out this year, and like we can meet back with another skincare video next year and see what has changed. Thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out, and Happy New Year. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys.